Ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat cabbage every day? Well, let's dive into the world of this humble, leafy green, often overlooked in the produce aisle. Cabbage, a cruciferous vegetable, is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed with vitamins C and K, and is also a good source of fiber, making it a valuable addition to any diet. Now you might be thinking, cabbage? Really? Yes, really. This unassuming vegetable holds a wealth of health benefits that can help transform your body. From aiding digestion to supporting a healthy heart, cabbage is more than just a side dish at a barbecue. And it's not just about the health benefits. Cabbage is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether it's sautéed, roasted, or tossed into a salad, it can be a delicious part of your meals. In the next few minutes, we're going to explore the amazing transformation your body undergoes when cabbage becomes a regular part of your diet. Get ready to discover the power of cabbage. Firstly, your digestive system will thank you for eating cabbage every day. Now you might wonder, why is that? Well, it's quite simple. Cabbage is packed with dietary fiber. This fiber not only keeps you feeling full, but it also has an important role in your digestive health. It aids in pushing food through your digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements. This in turn reduces the risk of constipation. But the benefits don't stop there. Did you know that cabbage is also a source of probiotics? Yes, those friendly bacteria that we often associate with yogurt are also found in this humble vegetable. These probiotics support a healthy gut microbiome. They help balance the good and bad bacteria in your gut, which can improve overall gut health and even boost your immune system. So, what's the takeaway here? By eating cabbage daily, you're supporting a healthy and efficient digestive system. And that, my friends, is something to feel good about. Secondly, your heart will be singing praises for your cabbage-rich diet. This humble leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients that your heart loves. One of them is potassium, a critical mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. By relaxing the tension in your blood vessels and arteries, potassium allows blood to flow more freely, reducing strain on the heart. But that's not all. Cabbage is also a rich source of antioxidants, those vital substances that combat harmful free radicals in your body. Among these antioxidants is vitamin C, which has been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. It works by preventing oxidative damage to your cells and tissues, including those of the heart. Moreover, cabbage contains fiber, a nutrient known for its cholesterol-lowering effects. By reducing levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, fiber helps prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries, a significant cause of heart attacks and strokes. So incorporating cabbage into your daily diet can be a great step towards heart health. Lastly, eating cabbage every day can give your immune system a significant boost. Now you might be wondering, how does this leafy green do such a remarkable job? Well, it's all thanks to its high vitamin C content. This essential nutrient is a powerhouse when it comes to bolstering your immunity. Vitamin C is known for its immune-boosting properties. It aids in the production of white blood cells, which are the soldiers of your body, fighting off infections and diseases. Additionally, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting these cells from harmful free radicals and enhancing their effectiveness. So, what does this mean for you? Simply put, a stronger immune system. By incorporating cabbage into your daily diet, you're equipping your body with the tools it needs to fend off invaders, keeping you healthier and more resilient to illnesses. In conclusion, eating cabbage every day can bring about a host of health benefits, from improved digestion and heart health to a stronger immune system. So why not make cabbage a staple in your diet?